Okay, first register your account. Okay, use this referral code. This is RoyalQ. Okay, referral link, and this is Binance Exchange. Use this referral code. Both links you will find into the description of this video. Okay, after registration, do with me in practical. Okay, do it with practical.
Hello and welcome each and every one of you. Today I am going to show you how to connect RoyalQ app with Binance Exchange for auto robot trading profits. Okay, see how to connect it using API binding. After login RoyalQ app, okay, this screen will appear. Then click here API binding. Okay, after clicking API binding, now here is two exchanges, Binance and Huobi. Okay, which exchanges do you want to connect and for auto robot trading? In this case, I want to connect with Binance Exchange. Okay, as you will see here, here is an option unbound. Unbound means it's not connected. If here is showing bound, that means it IP will be connected. Okay, unbound, just I am clicking here. After clicking, as you will see here, here is four options: IP group binding and API key, secret key, and verification code. Okay, you must be noted. First, I am just clicking here copy. After clicking copy, open Binance Exchange. I have already logged in Binance Exchange. Okay, then click here more. After clicking more, then scroll down and click here API management. Okay, as you will see here, after clicking API management, now click here. Okay, and type here any name you want to create new API. Okay, for example, I am creating here an API key. Okay, RoyalQ 2 के नाम से. Okay, RoyalQ 2. I am creating which name? RoyalQ2. Then click here to create it. Okay, after creating, okay, two verification codes for creation. Okay, I am typing it, then back again. Okay, I am pasting here code and click here to submit. API key created successfully, as you will see here. Okay, now your next step is what? Okay, now just click here. After clicking here, as you will see here, this will more options appear. What you will need: API key first and secret key second. Okay, and third one is what? Then click here again. Okay, third one is you must do this. But how to enable this? Just click here to add it. Okay, after clicking edit, as you will see here, this option. Okay, three options: API key, secret key, and unrestricted IP. This option. Okay, first what to do? just copy API key. Okay, how to copy API key? Just click here, copy it. Okay, and here is API key and paste it here. Okay, and second option is what? Secret key, this option. Okay, just click here, long pressed, and click here to copy. After copy and paste it here. Okay, now your third option. Okay, just enable what? Spot trading. Check this. Okay, after doing this, then check this option, restrict access to trusted IPs. When click here, okay, then your fourth option, back again to RoyalQ, just click here to copy. After copy and paste it on here. Okay, after pasting here, just click here to confirm it. Okay, after confirmation, now what to do? Your final step, just click here to save it. Okay, verification code, I am typing verification code and back again, just click here, get code. Okay, okay, just paste code here. Okay, API successful. As you will see here, here is a message. Now bake on RoyalQ. Okay, after RoyalQ, just click here. Okay, send RoyalQ verification. Okay, it will send RoyalQ email registration. Okay, which you want first time you create RoyalQ, that you check your email or Gmail. Okay, and paste that code here. Just click here. Okay, I am pasting code, then bake again. Okay, then paste that code here. Okay, just click here. After clicking, now click here to bind. Your final step, bound successfully. As you will see here, before here is a what message? Unbound, like here. Now here is showing bound. Bound means it will be connected successfully. Okay, as you will see here, here is showing in this way. Okay, I hope you will understand how to connect API, okay, in RoyalQ with Binance for auto robot trading. Okay, now I am showing you one another thing. Okay, how to confirm that's connected successfully or not. Now click here, just quantitative. Okay, select Binance and quantitative. Okay, just click here quantitative, and here is showing USDT Binance balance 0. It means connected successfully. Okay, showing Binance. Okay, this is another sign of successfully connected of API. Okay, two signs, one is bound, other one is here is showing Binance exchange balance. Okay, I hope you will understand everything in this video. Many new investors are confusing how to connect RoyalQ with Binance Exchange. In this way, you can connect your API successfully with Binance Exchange. Okay, God bless each and every one of you. Thanks.